our customers. We listened to them. We heard their voices, and they wanted a cleaner look. Something we still have it here. You can see what the maps look like previously, but it was a bit confusing, right? This is a demo version, but customers of ours with hundreds and thousands of servers, hundreds of connections, it can get a little confusing. So we created the tier maps. It gives you a zoom out and it makes it much easier to understand at a quick glance what you have in your environment. This can be customized. So you can see, for example, we've tiered into databases, SMB, web servers, and by double clicking or right clicking, you can open it up and you can see the different VMs within them. All right, so we're still providing you a deep dive look, and by clicking on it, you can open it up on the right side or do it in the panel here, and you can see all the servers by tiers. You can see the connections, the number of connections, and servers at risk, which we'll get into in a couple of minutes. And of course, you can edit. So you can see here, we have from the baseline 10 changes. This is something we've had previously. Purple is the new, brown is the old, but it gives you a bit of a zoom out and it's clear to understand exactly what you have in Faddom. And from the screen, you can still see what Faddom's main focus is, the dependencies, right? So if I right click on a server and add to impact set, you'll be able to see what the impact is on the environment at all times. If I take this VM server, add to impact set, you can see on the left in red, the server's impacted, right? Not a server with much information, but you can also see deep dive into the details. So this is Faddom's main change today. We've changed the way you'll be able to map out your environment. You can see it, of course, still in the old view, in a list view. You're able to see as well a lot of changes that occur, right? Besides the 10 changes that you can see here in the summary, you can see events, right? Here we have 6 events, things that are changing, things that provide you alerts, like a connection is not responding, an SSL certificate's expired. And we're able to update you, of course, in the platform, but Faddom also works when you're not using Faddom, right? You go on vacation, it's the weekend, you're having access to Faddom in a few hours or a day or two. We're still running 24/7 and we can provide you updates. So you can connect the notifications and always know exactly what's in your environment.
Get started now with self-service. No credit card or sales call is needed.